To create glass material, you need to create new window by click and drag upward from the bottom left corner to create new shader workspace. Or you can just go to the shader tab on here. Now, select Principal BSDF, which is the default material, and hit delete. Now, create new shader by pressing Shift A, and then, click on search, and type glass. Connect the glass output to the surface. Glass material only work on render viewport, and in cycle engine, and it will not work on Eevee. As you can see here, this are on Eevee render engine. Let's change it to cycle to get the glass result. Reduce the viewport sampling for faster workflow. You also can change the roughness to get the result that you want.